Let's begin installing your STiLWERK 3-in-1 faucet step by step. Before starting, turn off the main water supply. Prepare your wrench, screwdriver, and plumber's tape. Before you begin, take a moment to check that all parts are included in the box. Tip: if anything is missing, please contact our support team right away. Now, insert the faucet body through the mounting hole in your sink or countertop and make sure the filtered water outlet is facing forward. From underneath, slide the rubber gasket and metal washer onto the shank. Tighten the mounting nut securely with the provided tool. Do not over-tighten to avoid damaging the sink surface. If the countertop is too thick to install fixing nut, please remove mounting washer. Attach the hot water hose marked red and cold water hose marked blue to the corresponding valves. Tighten with a wrench and wrap threads with plumber's tape if needed. Some users complained about leaks. Show in video how to hand tighten first, then secure with wrench. Avoid cross threading. Avoid hose twisting, kinked or sharply bent, as this can shorten their lifespan and may eventually cause leaks at the bent area. The STiLWERK 3-in-1 faucet combines filtered and regular tap water in one design. It connects to most undersink filters with a standard 1 divided by 4-inch inlet, using separate channels to keep water clean. This faucet fits over 80% of household filter systems. It includes a 1 divided by 4-inch fitting for filtered water only. If your filter uses another size, add a matching adapter. The water supply T-valve isn't included. Purchase it based on your filter model. Even without a filter system, this faucet works as a normal hot and cold tap. Just keep the filter inlet capped. When you install a filter later, connect the 1 divided by 4-inch line, no replacement needed. STiLWERK offers flexibility and lasting convenience for your kitchen. Once installation is complete, you can enjoy a single faucet that delivers both regular tap water and purified drinking water, seamlessly integrated for all your washing and drinking needs. Your STiLWERK faucet is now ready to use. Enjoy both hot and cold water, plus pure filtered water, all in one design. Thank you for choosing STiLWERK Creation and Living.